Hello, everybody. In this time, we are talking about research question. A research question is an inquiry that the research attempts to answer. It is the heart of the systematic investigation. Research questions are the most important step in any research project. In a sense, it initiates the research project and establishes the base for the specific research. A research question is the first clear. It provides enough detail that the audience understands its purpose without any additional explanation. Second, argumental. Its potential answers are open for debate rather than accepted facts. Third, focused. It is so specific that it can be addressed within the time constraints of the writing task. Fourth, complex. It is not possible to answer it with a yes or no, but requires an analysis and synthesis of ideas before somebody can create a solution. Fifth, succinct. It is written in the shortest possible words. A good research question usually focuses on the research and determines the research design, methodology, and hypothesis. It guides all phases of inquiry, data collection, analysis, and reporting. You should gather valuable information by asking the right question. And then, why is a research question important? A strong research question guides the design of a study. Moreover, it helps determine the type of research and identify specific objectives. Research question state the specific issue you are addressing and focus on outcomes of the research for individuals to learn. Therefore, it helps break up the study into easy steps to complete the objectives and answer the initial question. And then the characteristics of a good research question. The first step in a literature search is to construct a well-defined question. This helps in ensuring a comprehensive and efficient search of the available literature for relevant publications on your topic. The well-constructed research question provides guidance for determining search terms and search strategy parameters. A good or well-constructed research question is the first original and of interest to the researcher and outside world. Second, the results are potentially important and may change current ideas and or practice. Third, it is clear and focused. It provides enough specifics that it is easy to understand its purpose, and it is narrow enough that it can be answered. If the question is too broad, it may not be possible to answer it thoroughly. If it is too narrow, you may not find enough resources or information to develop a strong argument or research hypothesis. Fourth, there is the potential to develop further projects with similar terms. And fifth, the question's concept is researchable in terms of time and access to a suitable amount of quality research resources. And then research question types. Qualitative and quantitative research are the two major types of research, and it is essential to develop research questions for each type of study. The first, quantitative research questions. Quantitative research questions are specific. A typical research question informs the population to be studied, dependent and independent variables, and the research design. In addition, quantitative research questions connect the research question and the research design. In addition, it is not possible to answer these questions definitively with a yes or no response. For example, scientific fields such as biology, physics, and chemistry often deal with states in which different quantities, amounts, or velocities drastically alter the relevance of the research. The second, qualitative research questions. In quantitative research, research questions have the potential to relate to broad research areas as well as more specific areas of study. Qualitative research questions are less directional of study. Qualitative research questions are very adaptable compared with their quantitative counterparts. Those studies based on these questions tend to focus on discovering, explaining, elucidating, and exploring. And then we move to steps to developing a research question. The first steps: choose an interesting general topics. Most professional researchers focus on topics they are genuinely interested in studying. Writers should choose a broad topic about which they genuinely would like to know more. Second, do some preliminary research on your general topic. Do a view quick researches in current periodicals and journals on your topic to see what's already been done and to help you narrow your focus. Third, consider your audience. For most college papers, your audience will be academic, but always keep your audience in mind when narrowing your topic and developing your question. Fourth, start asking questions. Asking into consideration of all the choose, start asking yourself open-ended how and why questions about your general topics. And fifth, evaluate your question. After you put a question or even a couple of questions chosen on paper, evaluate these questions to determine whether they would be effective research questions or whether they need more revision and refinement. I think it is enough of this session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.